Welcome back everyone to today's update. Watch this dog break through the glass on his front door as he tries to attack the UPS delivery guy. Now let's get into the financial update of the day. There are lots of ways to make easy money and passive income, and one of the best is by recording animals and pets. I know it may seem crazy and too good to be true, but literally, you can get paid by setting up a camera, GoPro, or just by using your smartphone to record animals and post your videos on the internet in places like Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. Look at this video here. It has over 45 million views and runs ads pretty much the entire time. But if you just place an ad at the beginning, middle, and the end, you could easily make tens of thousands of dollars on just one video alone. I bet this video made over 100 grand so far. And the amount of videos this channel has is insane. Look at how many videos this channel has with millions of views already. And there are so many more channels out there like this just making bank all day, every day. You can just make so much money with this easy side hustle just by setting up a camera to record your dog, some cats, or birds or something. Literally, just look outside and find an animal, record it doing animal shit, and post it on YouTube. I have several channels on YouTube making hundreds and even thousands of dollars per video per day, but I don't have an animal channel yet. I think I'll make one just to show you how fast and easy this channel can be done to make some big cash and easy money in no time at all. But seriously, you guys, this is one of the easiest ways to make money fast and make a lot of money. Give this video a like for the algorithm and subscribe if you like making easy money and want to learn more about passive income side hustles.